Hi there, it's Grace again, and just wanting to go through one of the new packs that's in the store, and I'm calling this my Back to Nature pack, which you'll see as we go through contents. So let's have a look. Now, when we have double pages like this, I basically call that one page. So you get 1, 2, 3 of these gorgeous little pages from this book called The Observer's Book of Birds. Some lovely little pages there. Now, the date on that one, 1967. Okay. There's also a couple of pages from The Observer's Book of Birds' Eggs as well, which is another lovely little book that I have. And there's a couple of pages from that as well. Sorry, I'm just tidying up my shelf here because you're going to see a whole selection of books. I just need some room to put them. Okay, each pack will also include 2 botanical postcards. They come from a pattern design postcard book. Some lovely ones in there, so you'll get a selection of those. The next page is from this little wildflower book of days. Some lovely images in there, and there's 2 of those, as you can see, some beautiful pictures there. I've included some little journaling pages from this lovely little journaling book. It had a bird on it, so it qualified as nature, I thought. So there's, once again, they open out onto there. Now this lovely little book that I found, I suppose doesn't really come under my usual guise as being vintage, because I think it was produced in the 1981, which I suppose still is a couple of years ago. But it has some gorgeous illustrations in this one. It's called In and Out of the Garden. So there's 1, 2 double pages of those in each of the packs, and as you can see here, they're quite thick, so they'd be really great for making tags. It's over here. Now this one isn't truly nature, but I just couldn't resist putting in some vintage pages from this lovely Collins Graphic English Dictionary. It doesn't actually have a date, but as you can see, she's pretty old. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, they are, believe me, double pages on those. Our next page comes from this Wildflowers painting book. Okay, so there's a page from there, which, you know, you're welcome to colour in yourself. Okay, this next one's from a children's book about insects. So it's just a single page. That one, something a bit different. Now, I wonder what this one's from. Obviously, I can't put a pack together without my favourite, The Country Diary of an Edwardian Lady. So, I actually finished pulling apart my first one last week, so I've moved on to my second copy. Luckily, I have a number of them. So, there are 1, 2 double page spreads. Beautiful, beautiful book. Okay, next one. Nope, there we go. 3. Change that. Each one has 3. Okay, our next book, which has some gorgeous illustrations, is from the Frampton Flora, which has some lovely pictures in that one. Just looking for a publication date for you on that one. I think it was in the 80s. Yes, 85 on that one. So 1, 2, 3 double page spreads on that. Next, it's actually, you've got some pages here from a nursery catalogue from 1956. And as you can see, I've used all the pages from there, so some lovely advertising and all about roses. And there's one, 2 of those. Okay, next one is some pages from this magazine, Queensland Leading Farm Journal. And this one is from 1941. So, once again, some beautiful vintage images in there. So, each of the packs receives 1, 2, 3, 4 double pages. And as you can see, that one's from 1940. So I've got a collection from 40, 41. So you'll receive 4 pages from that. This one here is actually just a gardening catalogue that I had that I've decided to throw in. Some nice images there. Okay, next one comes from Fairyland Pictures from the Elf World, which has some, once again, some beautiful illustrations in that one. So you'll be receiving double page spread from that book. And next book is Flowers for All Seasons, Australian Flower Arranging. Once again, some beautiful imagery in that book. So, lovely 1, 2 double pages from there. Oh, that's lovely. Look at that one. It's beautiful. Okay, now this one, and I'll put in a couple. There's only one here at the moment, but you'll get about probably 2 or 3. Is this massive The Plant Kingdom Compendium, and these are copy-free engravings. As you can see, some, as you can see, I've gone through and cut out to use, and they also look lovely. I've done it where I've done watercolour over them, which is very effective. Pop that over there. Whoa, getting quite a pile. So that's, as I said, I'll pop in a couple more of those. And the last collection comes from this, the Concise Encyclopedia for House Handyman and Housewife. Now, these are printed, and if you can see, it's 1931. And they have just everything you can think of around the house, including gardening. So, you'll be receiving quite a few of these. I've got quite a lot of these. Japanese gardens. What, like this one here, what to do in the garden in January. So 1, 2, I think there's about 4 double page spreads, sorry. 4 there. And they go in as well. So, whoops, I hope you like my Back to Nature ephemera pack. These will be going up in the store later today, and they'll be $12. Now that includes postage to anywhere in Australia, and so I'd love it if you hop over to my Truly Vintage store, which I'll put a link in the comments of this video, and check it out. And while you're there, have a look at the other packs. There are music packs still going with a collection of music sheets. I think I've got some of the maths ones left, which are all mathematical pages and engineering pages, and a few others. So thank you for taking the time to join me. I'll see you later. Bye.